Bigme B751C eBook-Reader Review. How Kaleido 3 Color E-ink solved eye strain and changed reading. Picture this. It's 10 p.m. and you're squinting at your tablet again, trying to finish just one more chapter before bed, but that familiar throbbing starts behind your eyes. A colleague admitted she'd stopped reading entirely because her screen headaches became unbearable after work hours. That cycle steals the joy from reading. Sound painfully familiar? Here's the hidden cost. Those glowing screens don't just cause temporary discomfort, they're quietly destroying your sleep quality and draining your focus the next morning. One reader shared how she abandoned her reading goal 3 years running because her eyes simply couldn't take another backlit page. The mental fog multiplies. Your beloved hobby shouldn't hurt. There's actually hope now. That's when I discovered the Bigme B751C S e-book reader, a 7-inch Kaleido 3 color e-ink device running full Android 14 with 300 ppi razor-sharp black and white text, 150 ppi vivid color illustrations, and a 36-level warm-cold adjustable front light that feels like reading real paper under natural light. Don't just pick any ebook reader. Make sure it has true dual PPI Kaleido 3 color e-ink so you never experience painful backlit screen eye strain and sleep disruption again. The transformation felt instant. Text appears crisp without harsh glow. Comics render in pleasant color without LCD brightness assault. And the 4 GB RAM smoothly handles Kindle, Kobo, Libby, and Google Play books simultaneously on one open platform device. A PhD student nearly missed her dissertation deadline until she loaded dense research PDFs onto this reader. She recovered 14 productive reading hours that week because her eyes stopped rebelling against the screen. The ergonomic side controls enable genuine one-handed page turning anywhere, and the optional 4096-level stylus annotates seamlessly. Quick bonus, the 64 GB storage expands to 1 full terabyte via microSD. Here's what happened after 3 weeks of daily reading. 4 weeks in, my evening migraines disappeared completely, and my sleep tracker confirmed I was falling asleep 30 minutes faster after switching to warm light e-ink reading before bed. That's not hype, it's simply what happens when you eliminate blue light bombardment during your wind-down hours. The paper-like reading experience became my new normal, and I genuinely forgot I was holding electronics during absorbed reading sessions lasting hours. An e-reader technology analyst noted that Kaleido 3 delivers 30% better color saturation than previous generations, while maintaining that signature eye comfort advantage e-ink is famous for. One everyday user in a reading forum said she finally completed her annual reading challenge for the first time in 5 years because her eyes stopped giving up at chapter 4. Worried about being trapped in Amazon's ecosystem like Kindle forces? The open Android 14 system means installing whatever reading apps you actually prefer: Kindle, Kobo, Libby, Moonreader, even ChatGPT for instant book summaries and translation help. The weeks-long battery life transforms charging from nightly ritual into occasional afterthought. Industry tracking shows color ink adoption accelerating as students and professionals discover productivity gains from eye-friendly displays during research-heavy workflows. What would reclaiming comfortable 3-hour reading sessions actually unlock for your learning and enjoyment? This quietly compounds value. The Bigme B751C S delivers what serious readers have quietly craved: vibrant color when content demands it, pristine paper-like comfort when text requires focus, and complete freedom from proprietary ecosystem chains that traditional e-readers impose. More academics, comic enthusiasts, and lifelong readers are making this switch as word spreads through reader communities and forums. Results may vary based on individual eye sensitivity and reading patterns. If you're ready to reclaim extended reading sessions without the punishment backlit screens inflict, check the link in the description and experience the difference today. Your eyes deserve this upgrade.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.